My friend, Larry Jefferson.
Oh.
It's been tough to get back up there, eh? Cause that love right there.
And there ain't gonna be no problem for me to get up, cause it's gonna come off there, maybe the day tomorrow one. Not today.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
But down to Greenwood though, you can go anytime.
Yeah.
Down there open. Yeah.
Look at the dog is sad. Just got a little sugar rush. You shouldn't like ever that wrapper. There was still some candy in there.
Like, that's something you can do then. Pull trash off the damn trunk. You know, look like
How you know?
it.
Expert on dogs. Aw, isn't that just the cutest?
no, you can't.
Aww.
Unless you get.
So, I'm sorry I'm recording y'all, but y'all cute.
If it was my wolf, I'm making that run. But I'm gonna
If
be
it's going that way,
I'm
in
gonna be
other words.
making something.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
It's Snowball and his grandma.
No. I mean,
A happy family. Look, I don't know where his mother is.
I know landfill open on my
He probably got abandoned. Well, maybe the grandma had to take care of him. Look what you doing, Snowball. Snowball. Here, come here. Come here, Snowball. Snowball.
That bypass.
Oh.
What does this say to get this? There's some of his luck. Collect 700 goldfish and get one.
You know Danielle gonna fly all solo seeds. Yeah, she cooked Danielle. You don't have all of the dish you want to drink?
Y'all ain't ready for y'all little lunch?
We ready. I just gotta take a video of these. Look, they're just so cute together. Oh. Come here, Snowball. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. There is Snowball, and his grandma is Aaliyah. They look so cute together.
Doctor. I'll tell you now. I did this last night. Wake up, look over there and see it.
Leah.
How many times you got to cook? I had to pray for
Snowball.
I had to pray for my workmen.
Come here.
Few steaks,
See? Look at the camera.
ball corn, okra, and all that good crap. I know I ain't never left in there this morning. It is. That's the sweet.
I know this.
I just got it. How come Aaliyah's acting so hungry if she already done it? So she eating sand off the ground and crumbs. Sand and crumbs. I don't know how that tastes good, but it does to them. We got loose skin. Homelander was my shadow.
Where you want to order from? You trying to take a prize or?
Fight, he's a funny pass, he's a West Show.
For what?
Hey, pipe for my truck.
Some that little crawl piece right now?
No,
No,
man, you know when that pipe got that.
on the other side, I have